just hear yourself breathing. It's just like silence.
It feels like back to the roots.
If you turn off the engine, you're like standing in the middle of nowhere.
It's about beautiful sceneries, experiencing the longest nights and the shortest days.
Yeah, just happiness. Like for a moment the world is standing still and you just enjoy the moment.
Lapland is about winter experience, but not only.
It's so rare that you see wild animals just passing the street, standing on the street.
There's not a lot of variety in the nature, but everything is covered under a deep layer of snow.
A super nice feeling of like you're free. And you're like standing in the middle of nowhere. It's just like white, beautiful nature around you.
It's about meeting the reindeers face to face, having snowmobile tours, having husky tours. It just makes everything like a fairy tale.
When we have the sundowner or the sunrise, it's impressive light, so we don't need any filters up here. We can just take the pure picture and post it and everyone would say, wow.
It's different, but it's beautiful. So let's enjoy this unforgettable time together. Arctic